Hi learners, and welcome to a new subtopic, median of data handling topic. I have already uploaded video of me, and now we are going to discuss about median, which is type of central tendency or central values. Dear learners, I have written here median. Median means middle value. Median of data or a group of observation is the value of the variable which divide the data or group into two equal parts. Median is the value such that the number of observations above it is equal to the number of observation below it. Dear learners, sometimes we have situation where means is not the convenient method for finding central tendency. There we use another method for finding it. That is, mean is not the only tool or method to determine the representative value or central tendency or central value of a group of observation. We use different methods or tools to find the central value of a group of observation. Here I am speaking a group of observation or data. Both are same. In this case, we can take, for instance, suppose in a class or in a group of 70 students of our class 7. We want to find out average heights in centimeter. Suppose in this case, procedure for it is that students will be asked to stand in a row according to height, smaller to taller, that is in ascending order, and then we will able to find the average of students height, that is average, so that median is that value which divide it into two equal parts. Is clear? That means median is the value which lies in the middle of data with half of observation above it and other half below it. Just I have explained in this median. No. So, my dear learners, today we will try to understand and learn and solve the question on this basis of concept. The second I have written here, to find a median of a given data, that is ungrouped data, we may use the following steps. Arrange the observation of data in ascending or descending order. Determine the number of observation. After determination, we will let the number of observation be n. Is clear? Now, when n is odd, that means number of observation in odd, what relation we will put there to find the median of the given data or a group of observations. So, if you get n is odd, median equal to value of number of observation plus 1 by 2 with term or observation. Somewhere it is written observation, somewhere it is written term. So I think that term will take, it will have. Now the second, when n is even, that means number of observation, we get even. So how we will solve it? To apply this relation, that median equal to value of n by 2th term plus value of n by 2 plus 1th term. That means you can say that it is divided by 2 because we find the average by the number of sum of the observation divided by number of observation. Here is 2 term, so 2 term is adding sum it and divided by 2, you get the median. Is clear? So somewhere it is written there, written as like median equal to average of n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So we can find also there divided by 2, you get the median. Now, my dear learners, let us understand in a better way with the help of some examples. My first examples I taken here, that is find the median of this data is given. I hope you are able to read it. First step is arranging the data in ascending order. Arranging the data in ascending order. We have already arranged. Okay. After arranging, we count it. Then we get the number of observation, that we get 13, which is what? Very easy. So we will apply median equal to or median equals to value of n plus 1 by 2th term or observation. We can, as you wish, we will you can write term or observation. Okay, but I mention here for removing your confusion, isn't it? So we have a number of observations. Our observation is 13. I have written here as per the rule. Median equal to value of 13 plus 1 by 2th term. Second step, value of the 14 by 2th term. Third step, value of the 7th term. You count from left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 43. Again you count from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is clear? So both side we counted, we get middle of the given data is 43. So our median of the given data is 43. Understood, dear learners? Okay. Take next questions. Find the median of prime number less than 20. So you know very well prime number 0 to 20. Okay, so we can write here, we must write here, given prime number less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, which is in ascending order. Firstly, I have arranged it in ascending order. Okay. The number of terms here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, n equal to 8. But n is even. So we will apply the second which I have mentioned above. That is value of n by 2th term plus value of n by 2 plus 1th term. Dear learner, I will use this one, the second, the type. So many books have written there that median equal to average of the n by 2th term and the n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, now this question we will do with the help of this relation. Okay, step 1, we first write the relation, then we write the n and calculate it, compute it. After computing value of 4th term, value of 4 plus term, and then in the last we have 4th term, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 7. fifth term here C, that is 11. 11 or 7, 18 divided by 2, then 18 by 2 equal to 9. I hope that you understood this one. Median of prime numbers less than 20 is 9 or equal to 9. The next question comes. This next question here. What is the median age of family whose members are 42, 38, 14, 13, 10, 8 years old? First, our step is here. We will write the given data in ascending order. So, I have written here, arranging the data in ascending order, we get. After arranging, we get such type. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observation. So we will again apply just above we have applied. Here you see the which I am discussing now. Median equal to that, and median equal to average of n by 2th term or observation. Term or observation I am using properly. 9 by 2 plus 1th term of observation. Now let's see. Median, I have taken this relation, this language. Both languages are same, but written style or written form different. Okay. So median age equal to average of 9 by 2th observation and 9 by 2 plus 1th observation. First step. Then put the number of observation. In the second step, in the third step, we will write average of third observation and fourth observation. Then, when you remove average, means you put the plus sign in the place of and divide by 2 as per the rule of finding average. So, third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2, and you see in the data. Third observation is 30, fourth observation is 14 divided by 2. You add it, 27 by 2, we get 13.5 years. The median age of the family equal to 13.5 years. Next question we will take. Find the median of the following observation. Here is given. If 92 is replaced by 98 and 42 by 44 in the above data, find the new median. Don't worry. First of all, we will find the median. Then we will replace it. Then we get the answer. Let's see. Here number of observation is 11. We were very happy because number of observation is odd. Only we will use the one type of relation. That is n is odd, then we will apply median equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th term or observation. So now let us start to put the value n is 11, we have put it here, it is divided by 2, then we get 12 by 2 equal to 6th observation. Value of 6th observation, you know, median equal to 58 we got. Now, if we replace 92 by 98 and 42 by 44, then new arrangement of the new data is 33, 35, 44, 48, 55, 58, isn't it? So, median value of the 6th observation. It is same as above, no changes there, isn't it? But somewhere it will change. Hence median equal to 58. Now one things I have written below, you see here. The value of middlemost observation is called the median of data or a group of observation. Middlemost. Someone have asked you, the median is always one of the numbers in data or a group of observations. The statement is true, because median is the value of the middlemost observation in the given data while arranged in ascending or descending order. Hence, median is always one of the number in a data or a group of observation. I hope that you are my learners understood. Now take the next question. Find the median of the following observations. Here given and also condition there, replaced by 87, 58. 58 replaced by the 87. What will be the new median? First of all, arrange in the ascending order. Second step, we will find the observation, number of observation. So then number of observation we have 9, which is odd. It's also very easy to calculate it. So we will apply median equal to value of n plus 1 by 2, th term or observation. I am repeating this word, no, term or observation, because you see there term observation, you become confused there. That's why I am using this one. In the second step, you will put the n value. The third step, you will get 10 by 2th term, then compute it. Value of 10 by 2 means fifth observation, then median will 61. Median will be 61. On the next step, replacing a step. No. So if 58 is replaced by 85, is clear? Then the new observation arranged in ascending order are what? You see here. Our fifth observation is our median. So you see 41, 43, 57, 61, 71, 85, 92, 99, 12. So 85, 58 change into 85. So it go forward after 71. So reduce in the before 71 one term. So you see what will be the median of this replacing the numbers or values, whatever you can say. Then new median equal to value of fifth observation. We have already found here. So count it for 41 1, 43 2, 57 3, 61 4, that 71 is clear. After replacing the values, so we get, I hope that you understood the things which helpful to you. Now the next question I have taken here for that, which measures of central tendency get affected if the extreme observations on both ends of data arranged in descending order or removed? Mean and mode, first option. Mean and median, second option. Mode and median, third option. And fourth option, we have mean, median and mode. Solution: A is the correct answer. Mean and mode always affected. So let's see here, mean equal to sum of observation or term, total number of observation or term. So detail here given. So if we remove the extrema values, that both sum and the total number of observations will change. Hence mean will also change. Mode is that observation which occurs the most. We will discuss in next video and next class, okay, about mode and combination of mean, median, mode. Okay, so now let's again come to the point. Mode is that observation which occurs the most. So if extreme value of those values which occurs mostly than mode can affect it, they are removed. Median is mid value. So if extreme values are removed, then the mid value remains same. Hence median will not change. Is clear? Now next question I have taken here and written. Numbers 52, 44, 35 that are written in descending order and their median is 25. Find x. There is no requirement to arrange in the given data in descending or ascending order. So given data, I have written here, given data already arranged in as descending order, we have that 52, 44, 35, 2x plus 10, 2x minus 8, 12, 11, 8, 6. Our observation is 9, which is odd. So we will apply this relation, median equal to value of n plus 1 by 2th term or observation. Median equal to, we can write this one, such type, as like value of 9 plus 1 by 2th observation is clear, because our observation is what? Our observation is 9. So we will add here, we get 10 by 2 at observation, then value of 10 by 2 means 5. So median equal to value of 5th observation. So median is given 25 equal to 5th observation, you see here 52, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th observation we have 2x minus 8. So that's why I have written here 2x minus 8. It's clear. Now next, you know very well, you have done so many transpositions of the equations in class 6 and subtraction, addition, whatever the axioms you applied here. So I have changed the sides. There is no change in the sign. So I have written, and it could be written here, 2x minus 8 equal to 25. 2x equal to 2 equal 25 plus 8 minus 8. I have transposed to the right hand side, that you can write transposing minus 8 to the right hand side. We get here x equal to 33 by 2, and half of the 33 we get 16.5. Hence value of x we get 16.5. Now take the next question. The median of the following observation arranged in ascending order is clear. That is 22. Median already given. Oh, very good. It's already arranged. Okay. Find x. In the given data, 15 is replaced by 24. Then find the new median. Isn't it? Listen to this carefully and read it carefully. I hope that you read each and every questions. You all are very helpful, and there is no confusion when you have practiced it regularly. Then you get the satisfaction. Now let's start the solution of the given question. Given data already arranged in ascending order, we have this one here. Okay, here the number of observation equal to 10. Dear learners, second, above I have mentioned, no, second relation we will apply here, and also I have mentioned the relation here, median equal to value of that, median equal to average of the n by 2th term or observation and n by 2 plus 1th term or observation. Okay, we have 10, which is even. Okay, so we will apply this relation to find the median. Now median equal to, I have taken below relation to remove your misconception about that. Median equal to average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. It's clear. The second step, you have we will put the number of observation and divide by 2 for first observation, and second observation also we will put 10 by 2 divide by 2 plus 1. So 10 by 2 we get the 5th observations, and 10 by 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1, that is 6th observation. We get this 5th and 6th observation. Here we written average. Average, when you remove average, then you are going to find the average of fifth observation and sixth observation, whatever the observation we get. Okay, so we will divide by 2 in the respect of median. So fifth observation and remove by placing the plus here, sixth observation and average replaced by 2 here. So we will take this one. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation we have x plus 1. Sixth observation we have x plus 3. Is clear? Yes. So that's why I have placed this value here. So I have written here x plus 1, x plus 3. And median already given in the question 22. So we add it. X plus x 2x, 3 plus 1 4 divided by 2, take out 2 common, then rest you have in bracket, take x plus 2, 2 cancel, 2 cancel, we get x plus 2. Now our equation here, x plus 2 equal to 22, we subtracted it. And recall your knowledge that we have done in the class 6. X plus 2 minus 2. 22 minus 2. Both sides we have subtracted by 2. So 2 cancel. We get only x. And here 22 minus 2. We get the 20. That means we get the value of x. According to the question, they are written find the value of x. Now, the second question. If 15 is replaced by 24, then the observation arrange in ascending order. As it is, you write and see where is 15. Where is 15? And when we change the 15 as a 24, where 24 goes? Okay, the place of the 24 and 15. Change. That means 15 places change after replaced by 24. Now let's see, I have shown here, that is 8, 11, 13, 21, 23, 24, 30, 35, 40, 43. Dear learner, those students are not understanding properly, you can put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Such type you can write and get the observation. Is clear? In the above question you will do that like. It is for slow learner, isn't it? So you can do it with pencil, isn't it? Or you have a pen, then you will use the pen in the question paper. It will very helpful. You can do that like. As like you do, I hope that you do very well. You must be get the solution correctly. Now new median equal to, we have got here above fifth observation plus sixth observation. You see here in fifth position 23. I have written here 23. Is clear? Plus 24, that is sixth observation. Add it, you know, you are able to do it very easily. Then we get 47 by 2 equal to 35.5. So hence new median equal to 23.5. Now it is going to be ending our session. Okay, I hope that you understood each and everything very well. And I have uploaded first video regarding mean. It is the second video of median, and the next video I will upload for mode and finding mean, median, mode by the given observation. And thank you all of you. Thanks all participation. Thanks for all participation, and have a nice day, nice night to all of you. Bye. Thank you.